One of my favorite breads. No flour, no sugar, no yeast. It's just nuts, seeds, and some dried fruits. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. Today we're going to be baking a really special bread because it's completely made of nuts and seeds without any flour. So that means that it is gluten-free. This recipe is also lactose-free, but the most important thing is it's absolutely delicious. Trust me, your husband, your kids, your friends, everybody is gonna love it. This is like the star of any dinner or any lunch or brunch that I host because this bread is super versatile and it's ridiculously easy to make. So out of the equipment, all you need is something to bake the bread in. I'm gonna be using like a silicone form, or we're gonna mix everything together in a bowl with like a fork. That's all you need. It's as simple as that. Now let's go over the ingredients. But the most important thing is, I've listed everything down below, how many grams of which nut and seed I'm using, but you can totally play around and make a lot of substitutions. So I'm using today, let's go over it, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, this is flax, we have some sesame seeds, a little bit of chia. From nuts, I'm using pine nuts and walnuts. Just to add a little bit of sweetness to the bread, I'm adding some dried apricots and some dried cranberries. They're sugar-free, by the way. We're gonna need 3 eggs, some salt, and some oil. Now, I would definitely leave in the flax seeds and the chia seeds in the amount that I specified below because they will absorb all of the excess liquid that we will have in the bread. But otherwise, you can totally use almonds, or you can use pecans, you can use some prunes, maybe some raisins. Just basically use what you have on hand. I like to also add in sometimes coconut, shredded, or big flakes, or almond slices, or even some poppy seeds, and maybe orange zest, or lemon zest. All of these things are gonna definitely brighten up so you can customize it to your taste buds. Now let's grab the bowl. First, we're gonna beat together the 3 eggs, again, with a fork. Keep it simple. And then just add everything in. Then we're gonna let the dough, so-called dough, we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes so that everything starts getting to know each other. They have a little soiree. Then mix it up again, and we're baking. By the way, don't forget to preheat your oven. You need 180 degrees. This probably looks like bird food, but trust me, it's heavenly. And in every single bite, you get some nuts, you get some seeds, you got this dried fruits. Such a treat. This is a great snack just to enjoy, as a treat with some coffee. You can serve this with a hummus or a nice little feta dip. The sweet notes in the bread will go wonderful with something savory. You have to try this. It's delicious. It's a game changer. It's fantastic. And it's not just, a ton of healthy fats. You also have so much protein from the eggs. So it's really nutrient dense, but it's really satiating. It really will keep you satisfied for a long time. And I think it's a great idea, like you're serving up a salad, just to add some more fiber. I hope you've already subscribed to my channel. If not, go ahead, push the button. And stay tuned for more delicious recipes.